pleasure. My name is Dave, and today we will talk about this product that is helping a lot of people. I speak of GlucoTrust, we of the channel, before buying GlucoTrust. I'd also have some really important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you do not make mistakes when using or making the purchase of GlucoTrust. The first thing you need to know about GlucoTrust is be careful with the site that you will buy GlucoTrust, because GlucoTrust is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is GlucoTrust and actually works? And the answer is yes, GlucoTrust works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers have identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will help you. And just one capsule a day, taken before bed, promotes healthy blood sugar levels while also offering other health benefits such as supporting deep and rejuvenating sleep. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with GlucoTrust, including on the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used GlucoTrust, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test GlucoTrust for 60 days, and if you do not see results, or if you do not like it for any other reason, they will refund your money. So be safe to use GlucoTrust, but rest assured that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. In addition, for GlucoTrust to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day, or else you will not see great results, and you will really get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after months using this product. Also important for you to know, GlucoTrust has no side effects as it is natural. So, we from the channel Joy in Health decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site that you will buy GlucoTrust, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that GlucoTrust really helps a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.